If we really want to end this, or if we really want to raise another generation that is stronger than us, the solution is within ourselves.
I think this is one of the platforms that we can use to raise awareness.
Everybody is saying mental health awareness. We're raising awareness about the word mental health, but nobody understands the concept. Let's be honest.
I spent my whole life trying to prove that even girl can do something big. I don't know if it's fine. I'm just pretending.